Hey everybody, this is Rebecca Titila with the Roma Hut Institute. Welcome back to our channel. Today I want to talk about the uses for black pepper essential oil. Now this is an oil that has some powerful properties behind it, and I want to share those with you. Okay, so we're going to talk about 7 uses for black pepper essential oil. I don't know if you've ever tried this one, but it's a pretty powerful essential oil, and I really love it. And you're going to love it too. First use that you might want to think about using it for is for your circulation. Now, this particular essential oil helps to boost circulation. You can use black pepper essential oil and basically use about 3 to 5 drops in a warm compress and put it over muscles or areas of concern. You can use it for digestion. It's a great oil for that as well. Black pepper may help with the discomfort or of constipation. In fact, it was several years ago, I made a blend called Thunder Down Under. It was for a client who was in Australia. I thought that was sort of funny. And they had constipation, so I used black pepper essential oil. Now, another funny story about that is I actually put some in our homemade meatloaf one time, and I remember the guys ate the meatloaf and had to run to the bathroom. Okay, that's another story. But anyway, yes, it moves things. If you are constipated, try black pepper essential oil. Now, you're probably thinking, ooh, how much do I use? Well, you can use 1 to 2 drops of essential oil of black pepper. You can take it internally with something else, okay? Like put it in a smoothie or in some kind of shake or soup or something. See, I like to cook with it. But you can also do it topically if you use it with a carrier, because black pepper obviously is a warm oil, so you're going to want to just like apply it directly over the abdomen, and that'll also help get things moving. Okay, so now black pepper is also great for muscle strains and aches and pains. It's also good for tendinitis. I actually added it to a tendinitis blend that I did for my son, and because it's a warming essential oil, that's why this one is good for inflammation. It's good for aches and the sprain, and maybe even if you're having any kind of spasms, you can also use it for that. Black pepper works to soothe muscle tension, injuries, tendinitis. So you're going to want to use it topically for this, and you will want to also dilute it in a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil or jojoba or almond, one of your favorite oils. You can just use it. And, you know, just make it in the palm of your hand. Just add a couple drops, put the carrier in, and just rub it right on. You don't have to make a big blend with it. Now, for respiratory support, black pepper essential oil also supports your lungs. It helps with the breathing, helps you to get that drainage, maybe cleanse anything going on in your respiratory or in your lymphatic system altogether. So this, again, you're going to use about 2 to 3 drops topically on your chest with a carrier oil. Okay, now if you happen to be a smoker and are trying to, you know, cut back or maybe even break that nasty little habit. I used to smoke cigarettes many years ago, and I went cold turkey. I was lucky to be able to do that. But for those who are still having those cravings, black pepper oil can help you with those cravings when you are wanting a cigarette, or even if you're having anxiety about not getting a cigarette, then you, of course, can topically, you can make a blend to apply, or you can just inhale the oil, and that'll help curb that craving that you're having. Now, for joints and discomfort in your joints, we already talked about tendinitis and for muscle strains. But it's also good for inflammation, for arthritis, and for any other kind of issues like that. And it helps to also keep the blood moving for circulation. It will help in relieving the joint pain and discomfort that you might have. And so this is something you might want to try topically. So you would be using this on the area of concern with the carrier oil. Again, just a couple of drops. And my last recommendation for our black pepper uses is to use it as a detox. We've already talked about how great it is for the lymphatic system and how it helps with the circulation. Well, of course, why not do a detox with it? So this is going to, again, help to increase circulation. It's going to help with urination, help you to move out the fluid in your body that you're retaining. It naturally removes body toxins, and it's going to help with the excess water fluid that you might be retaining in your body. Again, you're going to want to possibly either use it 2 to 3 drops topically with a carrier oil or to the soles of your feet, or you can also use it in a smoothie by taking it internally. Be careful though, you want to make sure that it's thoroughly mixed so that you don't cause any stomach irritation by using oils internally. And you also want to make sure that if you're under the care of a doctor or a physician, you want to just double check with them and make sure that this is not going to have any counterindications with the drugs or medications you might be taking. Now, if that is something you need to be concerned with, go ahead and ask. Okay, so that's all we have for today. Those are 7 uses for black essential oil. I hope that helped. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. That was 2 things. Like, and subscribe, okay? Hit that button so you can be a part of our channel. We want you here. In fact, I'm listening to you. If you guys want to hear more about how to use these oils, how to make blends, on those details, hey, leave it below and I'll read your comments and we'll see if we can get a video done for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.